Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look. Co-op Live Arena Construction Update. Co-op Live is an indoor arena currently under construction in Manchester, England. Due to open in April 2024, the arena is planning to host live music, sports, comedy acts, and family entertainment events. It will have an all-seated maximum capacity of 20,500 for a center stage concert, extending the retractable seating in the lower tier, but with an enhanced maximum capacity of 23,500, of whom 7,500 would be standing, when lower tier seating is retracted. The main ground floor public entrances to the arena will be from the northwest with additional access to level 1 from the canal side to the southeast. The stage end will be to the east. In addition to live music and entertainment, the developers proposed basketball, netball, tennis, esports and gymnastics as sports that could be hosted within the dimensions of the arena floor, and for which there was not, at the time, an appropriate larger venue in Manchester capable of hosting championship events. With lower tier seating retracted, the floor would accommodate a standard ice hockey pad.